Hi, I'm Kerri Gremminger, and I am truly honored to be the executive coach for the Women on the Rise program. When we talk about professional development, we often think about trainings, certifications, or new skills. But real growth, the kind that transform how you lead and how you show up, that comes from reflection, feedback, and intentional action. And that's where coaching comes in. Today's leaders are pulled in 100 different directions. They're navigating constant change, managing teams, and being asked to do more with less. But rarely do they get the time or the support to pause and ask themselves, what kind of leader do I want to be? What's getting in my way? And what's next for me? Coaching creates that space. It's a trusted partnership where we focus on you, your goals, your challenges, and your growth. And it's built on confidentiality. So you can feel free to speak openly and explore what really matters without judgment or agenda. We track progress together, celebrate wins, even the small ones, and we hold space for the hard stuff. Accountability isn't about pressure. It's about having someone in your corner, helping you follow through on what really matters most. Whether you're looking to grow your executive presence, navigate a tough decision, or maybe it's lead with more clarity and confidence, coaching helps you uncover your own answers, build on your strengths, and take action. And it's not a one-size-fits-all. It's personal, it's powerful, and it works. If you're ready to invest in your growth or support your leaders in theirs, executive coaching is such a great place to start.